Hello children, welcome to our today's session. In today's session, we are going to learn phonic sounds. In English alphabet, each letter have its own phonic sound. So, in today's session, we are going to learn the phonic sound of each letter. Are you ready? Let's start. A. A sounds as A. A sounds as A. A as in apple. A as in ant. B. B sounds as B. B sounds as B. B as in ball. B as in bus. C. The letter C sounds as K. C sounds as K. K as in kite. K as in car. D. D sounds as D. D sounds as D. D as in dog. D as in duck. E. E sounds as A. E sounds as A. A as in elephant. A as in egg. F. F sounds as F. F sounds as F. As in fish. F as in fox. G. G sounds as G. G sounds as G. G as in gun. G as in goat. H. The letter H sounds as as in horse. As in hat. I. I sounds as E. I sounds as E. E as in igloo. E as in ink. J. J sounds as J. J sounds as J. J as in jam. J as in jug. K. The letter K sounds as K. K. K as in kite. K as in kangaroo. L. L sounds as E. L sounds as E. E as in lion. E as in lamb. M. M sounds as M. M sounds as M. M as in monkey. M as in mango. N. The letter N sounds as N. N. N as in net. N as in nut. O. O sounds as O. O sounds as O. O as in orange. O as in octopus. P. P sounds as P. P sounds as P. P as in parrot. P as in pencil. Q. Q sounds as Q. Q sounds as Q. Q as in queen. Q as in quill. R. R sounds as R. R sounds as R. R as in rose. R as in rat. S. S sounds as S. S sounds as in sun. S as in snake. T. T sounds as T. T sounds as T. T as in tomato. T as in train. U. U sounds as a. U sounds as a. A as in umbrella. A as in un. V. V sounds as v. V sounds as v. V as in violin. V as in van. W. W sounds as v. W sounds as v. V as in watch. V as in watermelon. X. X sounds as x. X sounds as x. X as in box. X as in 6. Y. Y sounds as y. Y sounds as y. Y as in yacht. Y as in yarn. Z. The letter Z sounds as z. Z as in zebra. Z as in zip. Okay children, now we have learned the phonic sounds of 26 letters. Practice these sounds regularly. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.